Amazon Learner is asking if we have limited budget for PPC with specific campaign type, would you suggest that will be effective for rankings?
If you have a limited budget, I would say stick to broad and phrase first, because broad and auto broad and phrase. Auto obviously is the most important one because it's using Amazon's data and it can also discover profitable search terms for you. Broad and phrase is the same thing. Like broad can discover a lot of profitable search terms. It can also find some things that are not so profitable, but if you do just exact, it's kind of a shot in the dark because you don't know if that keyword is going to work or it's not going to work. If you do broad, then at least Amazon's using its data and saying, okay, we think that, according to our customer data or whatever, these keywords are going to work well. It's going to convert this product. And then they start showing your product for those new keywords. And then you can go into the search term report and find those profitable ones and start extracting them and launching them. So, but with exact, it either works or it doesn't work. And if it doesn't work, then you kind of just spent money and you didn't get any additional data other than, hey, this keyword doesn't work. So that's kind of what I would do is definitely the auto. Definitely the product targeting, the one with the bad reviews, right? Because if a product has bad reviews, you show up under there, there's a very high chance if someone clicks on you, they're going to convert and they're not going to convert on that one. And then, tending more to the broad because it will help you discover the profitable stuff.
Hey, it's Ria Mittal here. Before you leave, make sure to subscribe to SellerApp's main YouTube channel where we upload all things Amazon and some how-to guides that will make sure that you're winning on Amazon. You will not get this anywhere else. Until the next time, happy selling.